Hi, Nadeem here from Smart Riding. I'm here today with Asiya from Alienrider. Now, she's brought along a couple of the new products. This is the M2 QR system.
Yeah.
So this is the full riding system. Asiya is going to explain to us what's actually in this.
Okay, this is for our new product, M2 QR. QR means quick release.
Quick release.
Yeah, quick release.
Okay, so I think we'll open it up and have a look then. So yeah, that's what it looks like.
Yeah, there's a host and the front camera, rear camera, TPMS, and the radar.
Right, so that's the blind spot detector.
Yeah, blind spot detect.
Okay, so this is the quick release side of it here. And this will go into these brackets. Can you show us how this works? Is it most? Yeah, that's a Bluetooth.
Yeah. The screen size is 6.2 inch.
Right.
As compared to the previous one,
Yeah.
it's 6.1.
Right.
And now this screen a little bit.
It's a little bit bigger then.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. So this comes, okay, this is a separate mount. Is this the?
This one especially for BMW.
Oh, that's just for BMW. So that's the M2S.
Yeah, M2S.
Which is specifically BMW only. So that's just the unit on its own?
Yeah.
Right, okay. So, well, this one...
Universal.
Yeah, so this one is for all bikes. And you have quite a neat looking quick release for this. So this, I take it this is all inside the box anyway. But yeah, this looks good. So as you guys will probably know, I mean, I was using the M2 Max Pro for nearly a year, and I rated that as one of the best systems as available simply because it has everything. You've got the blind spot detector, dash cams, smart display, tire pressure monitors. So as an all-in-one system, it was a fantastic system to run. So this is now the replacement for it. But the great thing with this one is now that it's quick release, because the previous one wasn't, and you had to leave it on the bike. And for a lot of people, that's not great because they're parking in towns, cities, and they don't want to leave it on display where someone's just going to come and try and smash it off. So that's the difference here. Well, let's have a look at the M2S now.
Yeah, it's a BMW edition.
Right, so that's the BMW edition one. Okay. So yeah, that's got the usual, just the BMW mount.
Yeah.
So that will work with this.
Work with the BMW Cradle.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Just.
I'll let you do it. Right, that's that in. Let's take this off. I think the power is on. Yeah, that's it powering up. Let's move this then. So this is a BMW Cradle, as you can see. So this is basically the interface. So all we'll need to do is connect this up with the CarPlay or Android Auto. But this looks like a neat size. I mean, I'll be doing full reviews, setup and everything for these models, these two new ones. They'll both be going on the bike. And I'll do a full review of everything, but this was just to show you the new products that are coming. And I think these are going to change the market again a little bit. So they're both good systems, I think, because I've tested the Alienrider stuff and it has been pretty good anyway. So I don't see these as being any different. I think they're good quality units and they should stand the test of time as well. And is there anything you want to add? Asiya?
Yeah, for 5-inch screen, also we have the universal one.
Right.
And also BMW edition, 6.2 inch for universal.
Right.
Can available for any motorcycles.
Yeah. Okay. Well, thanks for that today. As I said, what I'll do is I'll be doing full fitting guides for these and the setup and everything, and then I'll do test reviews. I'll be testing them for the next 6 months probably. So you'll see them on the channel. Thanks.